guys, welcome back to another J-Speed Racing video. Today we have a special install of the Condor Speed Shop door panels for a BMW Z3. Now behind me is our BMW Z3. We're actually going to do a full build on this on the channel. I'll make sure to leave links in the description. So come over here, I'll show you the Condor Speed Shop beautiful little ABS plastic door panel. So it does come with the full door panel, and then it even has a nice red handle that comes with it. You're no longer going to yank off the stock handles, and then it even has a clean little plastic piece to kind of make it a flush install. Of course, Condor gives you stickers and a koozie with every order. I'll make sure to link everything in the description, all the tools and parts we use, so make sure to go check out the shopping list down below. This Z3 is going to be a drift car, so we've already actually taken a lot of the interior out, so you can see these door panels are already gone. The stock door panels don't last very long, so we need to go ahead and kind of clean her up a little bit, and then we're actually going to tuck these wires back behind there since we're not going to use those any further. So the way we took the stock door panel off, there's one Torx behind the door handle and there's a couple other ones kind of lingering. So once you do that, we popped all the clips. This top part will pull up and then it comes right off. Make sure to disconnect all the speaker wiring and the airbag if you have one. So this Condor piece will simplify the door panel a lot easier, especially for a race car. It's super nice to have a nice clean finish. One cool feature this door panel has is that it's already has holes drilled where the rivets need to go. So it's as simple as we're gonna line it up like that. Make sure to put that over there. Hold about that. So you can see how well it fits for what it is. I need to wiggle it around a little bit further. What I'm gonna do is mark all these little holes that I can drill out so we can rivet it in. Our first step is to go ahead and install the actual pull handle. So this is really nice, high quality fabric. So we went ahead and grabbed the bolt. We're going to install it right on this little tab in front of the door handle with this bolt. We're going to tighten that down and kind of leave it where you think it's going to pull. And on the back of the door panel, something that's really cool is Condor's actually etched out a spot for the door pull. So we're going to go ahead and take our Dremel, kind of carve that out, and there's even two holes here, and that is for this little piece. So if you can see where it matches up. So once you drill that out, you have two little screws. You can actually fit this to the front side and screw it in, and that's the slot that the door pull will go through. So we're going to go ahead and get that ready because we need to do that before we actually rivet the panel onto the door. Alrighty, I got that hole dremeled out, and so what we're going to do now is take this little piece, we're going to plop it right in there, and then we're going to get our two little screws, tie it in. Getting the door panel kind of situated up here, I went ahead and fed that through. It's sitting pretty good. Need to kind of massage it into place a little bit. So once I get that kind of situated into place, I'm gonna go ahead and mark my holes now. Give them a little marker and see if we can tap these through. While we build this car, we still might need to pull this panel off, so I'll probably just put a few rivets in just for now, and I'm gonna go back and do the rest later. Little change of plans, I'm actually gonna go ahead and drill out the hole while the panel's up there just to kind of simplify it and make sure it doesn't move, and then I'm gonna slide a couple rivets in and go to the other side. So there's one. Alrighty, there we go. So now I'm going to take my rivet gun, give it a couple pumps, break that off, and now it's held into place on this side. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of position it on the front and put one there. I'll probably do every other one right now since I might have to take this off since we're still building the car. If you guys don't have a rivet gun, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description of where I got this one. It works super great, has different sizes for different size of rivets. Alrighty, there we have it, the Condor Speed Shop ABS plastic. Now we did end up losing this little trim piece. The car never came with one, so we probably have to hunt down the little trim piece. But it does fit in there. We ran it on another car and it does actually clip in and slide into place. Like I said, we left a few rivets out because we're gonna probably take this back off to finish up like the roll cage and stuff for this car. As you can see, the door handle's super strong. You can definitely close the door where it's not gonna rip it off. Everything's real nice and fit and finish is real good on this door panel. This one side's done, let's do the other side. Alrighty guys, that is going to wrap it up. We got both sides done and it looks absolutely amazing. Definitely looks better than that stock door and also a lot more durable than the stock panels. So like I said, everything's going to be linked down below in the shopping list and also a link to Condor's website. Make sure to use our discount code. I'll put it on the screen right now. If this video helped you out at all, make sure to go give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.